A boat without a rudder is at the whim of the elements. It drifts. The news tells you one way, it goes one way. If all of a sudden there's something else, it goes another way. And we're constantly being twisted and turned and spun around. And I think that's why people go to bed exhausted and wake up tired, is that they're not fulfilled. And getting really clear about those rudders enables somebody to be the captain of their own vessel. They get to actually cut through the water and go where they want to go. And to me, that's not only guiding principles, but it's also language. We've learned a lot about language. I mean, very powerful leaders wield language to produce optimal results. And they realize that language is everything, and not everything. I mean, there's lots of other ways to communicate. There's nonverbal and there's our tone, but we use like 7% of what we do is language and words. And man, they're powerful. And what we realize now is that our stories and our language are either in the on position or the off position. They're either inclusive or they're off-putting. Either they're inspiring or they're disempowering. Either they're uplifting or they're shameful. Either they're causing people to produce extraordinary results or they're sending people into places where they're apathetic and cynical. It's really clear to me. And what we've learned is that people who are doing extraordinary things in the world are using language that uplifts and inspires not only themselves, but everyone else around them.
Thanks for stopping in and watching this video. If you found it helpful, you can find others just like it at the link below and subscribe while you're at it.